Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to make a gaming banner in Canva. So let's get started. Sign into your Canva account and create a new design. Choose custom size and input the size suitable for a banner. Or you can search for templates on the search bar. For example, I'm going to choose a template. You can choose a background that fits your gaming theme. Canva offers a wide range of templates. Choose one or you can start from scratch. Click on your canvas and start typing to add your gaming channel name, tagline or any other text you want. You can add gaming elements or graphics and customize colors and fonts. Okay, that's it. When you are ready, click the download button to save it to your device. That's it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.